Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix too many attempt error in two-factor authentication app. To fix too many attempt error with a two-factor authentication app, you usually need to wait for 24 to 48 hours for the account to unlock or try a different device or a network with a different IP address. If possible, you could use a recovery code or an alternative verification method as well. So the issue occurs when you've tried or attempted to log in into your account a couple of times after a certain warning as well. So due to some suspicious activity, your account might have been temporarily blocked, which is why you're unable to attempt to log in or you could see such information. So the simple solution is to wait or use a backup option like I already mentioned before. And you could also try changing your IP address that might be able to fix. And if not, you could also use a recovery form. That is, if none of these above steps work, you could use a service account recovery form and Google accounts recovery form to regain the access. And this is how you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.